In today's video, tuturuan kita kung paano makahanap ng content ideas ng mabilis gamit ang SEMrush Keyword Magic Tool. Hey guys, ako si Ashley at kung nararanasan mo nang magpanik kakaisip ng content ideas or hindi makapag-post consistently, hindi ka nag-iisa. Hirap mag-maintain ng steady flow ng content lalo na kung nagka-try ka i-grow yung brand or business mo at nauubusan ka ng ideas. But what if I told you na may tool na pwede ka agad makahanap ng hundreds of content ideas that people are actually searching for? So today, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gamitin ang Keyword Magic Tool sa loob ng SEMrush para mabilis kang makahanap ng high-value keywords, blog topics, at SEO-friendly content angles without guessing. So whether you're just getting started or trying to grow faster, this tool is such a game changer. First off, ano ba ang SEMrush? Sa Keyword Magic Tool, ang SEMrush ay isang powerful na all-in-one SEO and digital marketing tool na ginagamit ng marketers, entrepreneurs, at content creators sa buong mundo. Tinutulungan ka nito sa lahat, from keyword research to site audits, backlink analysis, competitor tracking, and more. Isa sa pinakagamit na feature ay yung Keyword Magic Tool. Sa isang search pa lang, ang dami mo nang makukuhang keyword ideas. Pwede mong i-filter kung gaano karami ang nagsisearch, keyword difficulty, question-based keywords, and more. Ginawa talaga to para madali at mabilis makahanap ng content ideas even if you're brand new to SEO. So kung gusto mong i-try ang SEMrush at gusto mong sabayan ako, follow along this demo with me. I've left our exclusive link in the description below. Pag kinlik mo yung link na yan, makakakuha ka ng free trial. And yes, 14-day free trial gamit yung link namin sa baba. Pagka-login mo, click mo lang yung try for free. Tapos, ando na yung steps to login. Pag naka-login ka na, punta tayo sa SEO. Then, click yung Keyword Magic Tool. Sa left side ng sidebar, i-click natin yung Keyword Magic Tool sa ilalim ng Keyword Research section. Tapos, sa search bar, mag-type ka ng general topic or kahit anong related sa niche mo. So, ita-type natin yung gut health. Go ahead and search. Now, as you can see, ang daming keyword ideas agad. I just want you to notice the keyword variations na nakagroup sa left side. Nakakatulong yan para ma-explore mo yung related topics tulad ng best, good food, probiotics, supplements, at kung ano-ano pa. Now, isisort natin by volume to see which term gets more traffic. Tapos, gagamit tayo ng keyword difficulty filter para lumabas yung low competition keywords. Kung bago pa lang yung site mo, mas okay mag-target ng keywords na below 30. So, piliin natin yung very easy and then you can see your chances to start making new pages. Okay, so ayan na, meron na tayong tiny health gut test, best salad dressing for gut health, dog chewing paws gut health, juicy recipes for gut health. Ang dami ng info na pwede mong gamitin agad dito pa lang. Sa ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay i-click yung questions na nasa taas. Dito makikita mo yung topics na super bagay for blog or video content. So, are you gonna answer an exact question of any of these? Okay, pwede rin natin i-unclick yung filter to even get even more. Nasa questions tab pa rin tayo. So, ayan. How to improve gut health naturally. How to fix gut health. Ang dami talagang info dito at sobrang ganda ng mga tanong na pwede mong gawing content. Tapos, ang pwede mong gawin ay i-click kahit alin sa mga to para makita mo yung volume, keyword difficulty, global volume, at iba pang info. Makikita mo rin lahat ng tanong na related dito. Sobrang daming helpful na details. Pwede mo rin gamitin yung checkbox para piliin yung keyword na gusto mo tapos i-add sila sa keyword list or export as CSV para magamit mo sa planning later. Simple lang. Pili ka lang ng ilang keywords tapos pwede mo na silang i-export o i-send. Isa pang pwede mong gawin dito sa taas, meron all keywords. So this is all broad match, phrase match, exact match, at related keywords. Pwede mong piliin kung gusto mo ng exact match, phrase match, o broad match, depende sa kailangan mo. So yan, you can play around and see. Pero as you can see, ang dami mo nang makukuhang solid na content ideas. Let's break down what you can actually do with the magic tool inside SEMrush and why it's so helpful sa content planning. Number 1, you want to start with a seed keyword. Type mo lang yung isang general na topic like meal prep, freelancing, or travel blog. Parang ginawa natin kanina. So balik tayo sa Keyword Magic Tool, type natin na meal prep, then search. After nun, lalabas agad yung thousands of keywords variations grouped by topic. So kung tinype mo yung meal prep, makikita mo yung options tulad ng meal prep ideas, meal prep services, meal prep containers. This gives you a structured way to explore your niche and find ideas that match what real people are searching for. Number 2, like I said, gumamit tayo ng filter based sa keyword difficulty and search volume. Pag may list ka ng keywords, pwede mo na siyang i-narrow down gamit yung filters. Kung gusto mo ng low competition keywords that still get traffic, you can sort by keyword difficulty and search volume. Nakakatulong to para makahanap ka ng low-hanging fruit that's realistic to rank for without needing to be a big site or have tons of backlinks. So, ulitin lang natin, palitan mo lang tong difficulty setting dito, makikita mo dito sa side yung results. Number 3 is you want to find question-based questions. Isa sa mga best features nito is the ability to filter your results to only show questions. Sobrang helpful to kung nagsusulat ka ng blog post, YouTube scripts, or FAQ content. Ang dali rin gawing blog title of video topic ng mga to. Number 4, ayusin mo yung keywords by topic. Sa Keyword Magic Tool, nakagroup din yung related keywords into topic clusters. Kaya easy magplan ng content calendar instead of jumping between random ideas, makakagawa ka ng mini content hubs where all of your posts relate to a core topic. Number 5 is to export and save your list. Pwede mong i-save yung keyword list sa loob ng SEMrush account mo or export siya sa spreadsheet to organize your content plan offline. Kung may team ka o VA, mas madali mag-delegate at mas organize yung publishing schedule mo. Now, let's go over some of the pros and cons. Unahin natin yung pros. Una, sobrang laki ng keyword database. Ang dami mong makukuhang keyword ideas compared sa free tools tulad ng Ubersuggest o Google Keyword Planner. Pangalawa, madali ang filters at clustering. It makes it super simple to find the best content angles without digging through messy data. Next is real-time SERP data. Makikita mo agad kung gaano kahirap mag-rank sa isang keyword-based sa sites na nasa top results ngayon. Tapos meron ding question filter. Perfecto para sa bloggers, YouTubers, or anyone writing helpful content. Next, it's great for beginners and pros. Madaling gamitin yung interface, malinis and straight to the point kahit first time mo pa lang sa SEO. Ngayon naman, punta tayo sa ilang cons. Minsan overwhelming siya pag bago ka pa lang because it's such a powerful tool. Ang dami mong pwedeng matutunan, but after a few uses, magiging natural lang siya. So now, puntahan naman natin yung plans and pricing options ng SEMrush. Okay, so ayan, makikita mo na yung ilang options nila dito. Kung mag-annual ka, makakatipid ka ng 17%. Yung pro plan nila ay $139.95 per month. Kasama na dito yung hanggang 5 projects, keyword research tools, competitor analysis tools, position tracking, backlink analysis, at site audit. Sunod ay yung Guru plan na $249.95 per month. Dito makukuha mo lahat ng nasa pro plan, pero may dagdag pa na up to 15 team projects, historical data, multi-location and device data, ChatGPT search ranking, at content marketing tool. Ang panghuli yung business plan na $499 per month. Dito makukuha mo lahat ng features ng Guru plan, plus up to 40 projects, share of voice, extended limit, API access, at migration mula sa ibang third-party tools. Kung gusto mo ring i-compare yung plans, you can go ahead and check that out for yourself. Pero again, kung gagamitin mo yung exclusive link namin, makakuha ka ng 14-day free trial which is extended. Gusto ko lang din i-mention na affiliate links to, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Kaya kung gagamitin mo man yung links namin, we just wanna thank you in advance sa suporta nyo. It helps us to continue to create tutorial contents tulad nito. So, para sa'yo nga ba to? Kung sawa ka na sa kakahula kung anong ipopost o gusto mong palakihin ng blog, YouTube channel, o website traffic mo, then yes, dapat mo talagang i-try to. Yung keyword magic tool ng SEMrush ay isa sa pinaka-effective na paraan para maintindihan kung ano talagang hinahanap ng audience mo at makagawa ng content na gusto nila. Makatipid ka ng oras, it helps you rank faster and removes the guesswork from your content calendar. If you just use the free trial, kaya mo nang i-plan yung next 30 days ng content mo, it'll be 100% worth it. Sobrang laking tulong ng SEMrush. Makakatulong to uncover content gaps, find quick win keywords, and feel a lot more confident in your SEO strategy. Kung isa ka sa mga gustong mag-grow without burning out, this is one of the tools I definitely recommend. That wraps up this video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel. At kung may tanong or gusto kang i-share, i-comment mo lang sa baba. We'd absolutely love to hear from you. Maraming salamat sa panonood and we'll see you sa next video.